OMG! Do you know what is inside your hand? This image shows the bones and joints inside the human hand. It may look strange or surprising, but our hands have a very complex structure. Inside the hand, there are many small bones, joints, and tissues that help our fingers move and work properly. If these joints become swollen or damaged, it can cause pain and make it difficult to move the fingers. That is why taking care of our hands and joints is very important. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Leave your thoughts in the comment section and share this video with your friends. For more amazing and surprising facts, subscribe to our channel.